Hello everyone, today we're going to install the brand new language Julia on Windows in 90 seconds or less. If you have the chocolatey package manager for Windows, it's a one-liner. It's really easy, just do choco install Julia -- confirm and let it rip. However, if you like to do things the hard way like me, we'll start out by downloading it from their website, then just run through the installer, nothing too complicated here, and that's really it. The one catch is, if you want to be able to run this from PowerShell or the command line in any way, you'll have to add it to the path. For me, it wasn't automatically added. Let's do that real quick. First, let's figure out where this Julia program is located. Go into your Start menu, right-click it, and hit Open File Location. This will show you the actual shortcut for your Start menu. You'll have to do that again. Right-click and hit Open File Location. Now at the top bar here, you have the path to the actual exe that is Julia. So click in that top bar, copy that, and search environment in the bottom bar for Windows. Open up your system environment variables, and edit the path for the current user. At the end of the list of paths, you're going to want to paste in that path to the Julia executable that you just copied. Click OK on everything, and you're done. Now you'll have to reopen any command windows you already had open. For now, we'll just open up PowerShell and try out the Julia command. Looks like it works. Excellent. Have fun playing with Julia. That's all for this video. See you next time.